Oh, emergency! Emergency! Heavy rainfall! Oh my God! Look at that! This is crazy! Extreme rainfall! Extreme! Tornado watch! Thunder! Oh my God! Wait, open it. Oh, close. Oh my God! Heavy rain and that garage is still open. They can get flooded. It's already starting to localizely flood. There's a flood warning. Oh, notification. I got a push notification. Oh my God. You see this, guys? Guys, this day will be remembered. Look at that. I'm so happy I recorded that. Oh my God. Oh. How the times are swept. Oh my God. It's coming straight down now. Oh. I have to upload this in HD. Oh my God. This is crazy. Man, oh my God, the cars are speeding. The cars are speeding to get home. Look at that. It's flooding already. Oh. My block's drain. Our drain is so doomed. Our drain is just so doomed. Oh my God. It became it sounded like a nuclear war. It was like a bomb explosion. When I was downstairs, I was eating some chips. My sister was sitting and making some food for dinner. And suddenly, boom! It sounded like a grenade exploding on a building with gasoline. Did you hear that? Did you hear that, guys? Did you hear that? Oh, my neighbor. His name is Mikey. He's coming home. Well, he has to come home. He just has to. Oh, God. So, guys, I think I'm going to end this video now. Bye.